MTD CNC have travelled to Thame Workholding, and we're looking at some of the latest innovations and solutions that they offer. And we're going to start from the base, from the 0-point location fixtures. Now, all of the products that you're exhibiting here today are all 0-point ready. So let's start with what we know. Let's start with the centric gripper mat.
Yeah, so it uses a wedge system which generates 3 times the amount of pull-down force as other systems. So that's the real selling point with our 0-point clamping system. More pull-down, better results for your parts when machining on a proven system.
Now, the 0-point locators, what type of machine tools do they go on to?
So it go on to 5th axis work holding as well as 3-axis. Can go on to rotary tables. So it's a wide variety of machines we can use this system on.
Predominantly any milling machine, including horizontal machines?
Yeah, including horizontals as well.
So let's start with the centric grippers, and we're starting on the one nearest you, holding on quite a small part really.
Yeah, I mean this is the smallest vise that they do. It's 46 jaw wide on a 52 stud pattern. It goes down to 0 and it's up to 46.
And what's the largest size?
105, I believe
105.
it is. Yeah,
and
on the smallest.
That's our holding capacity?
Yes, yeah. And so on the larger 125s, it goes up to 355. Right. So that's the whole range, including the different size vices.
And you don't just offer centric grippers. We can see chucks on here, 3-jaw chucks, but also 4-jaw chucks. Now this interests me, this 4-jaw chuck system here. Can you explain this, please?
So it's a compensating chuck. So unlike normal 4-jaw chucks where all 4 jaws go in together, this works on a 2x2 system. So the 1 and 3 jaws come in together to locate the part, and then 2 and 4 locate and then finally grip the part. So if you have any oddly shaped parts, rectangles or round parts, it will grip them all.
So very, very flexible and versatile, no matter on what shape that you're holding.
Completely flexible, yeah.
And the 0-point location system underneath this particular 4-jaw chuck is also unique. Can you tell our audience what is unique about it?
Yep, so it's a 4-position plate. All 4 positions clamp at the same time using the wedge system and locate. So you can move the vices around and all 4 will give the same gripping capacity.
So effectively, does that mean that I could have 4 centric grippers on here and I could tighten them all at the same time?
Correct, yeah.
So again, saving setup time?
Saving you time on your machining.
So totally unique?
Totally unique.
Now we're moving on to another centric gripper here, and I've not really seen master base jaws like this before. Can you explain what I'm looking at?
Yep, so this is a new solid click from HWR. It is a combo system that allows you to quickly change soft jaws on the chuck very quickly to allow for, again, quick setup time, swapping in between jobs.
And that works just on a dovetail system?
Yep, simple dovetail system with a click. You push the lever to allow it to release and it locks straight into place.
And I've been informed that these particular jaws are at a very inexpensive price. Now, these are not the only products that you're offering, you're also always innovating and designing new products. Some new products in the pipeline?
Yeah, lots of exciting stuff coming from Thame in the future. Just watch out and see what we can design for you.
Matt, thank you very much.
Thank you.